Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use Microsoft Teams to share your files. So right here, you just have to log into your Microsoft Teams account. And currently, I am on my web browser. Then after that, right here at the left side, you have these options. So just simply click on the OneDrive. And then right here, you can create or upload your files. So when you click on this one, you have the option to upload files, can create a folder or upload Word document, Excel workbook, and etc. So right here, to share your files that you have uploaded in this section, all you have to do is to simply click on the file, and then you have the share option. So you just have to simply click on this one. Okay, after that, just wait for a couple of seconds. And then here you can add the name, group, or email of that specific person. So for example, I'm going to use my other email right here. Okay, so after that, just have to select that email. You can also add a message right here. Okay, after that, just click on send. Okay, so you have invited that specific email to edit or to view the attachments. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.